Sahih Al-Bukhari 3627, narrated Sayyid bin Jubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. About Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Umar bin Al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu used to treat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu very favorably. Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said to him, "We also have sons that are equal to him, but you are partial to him." Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "It is because of his knowledge." Then Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu about the interpretation of the verse, "When come to the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the conquest of Makkah." 110.1 Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "It portended the death of Allah's Messenger sallallaho, alaihi, wasallam, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had informed him of." Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "I do not know from this verse, but what you know." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3628, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu, alaihi wasallam, in his fatal illness came out wrapped with a sheet, and his head was wrapped with an oiled bandage. He sat on the pulpit and praising and glorifying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He said, "No, then people will increase, but the Ansar will decrease in number, so much so that they compared with the people will be just like the salt in the meal. So if any of you should take over the authority by which he can either benefit some people or harm some others, he should accept the goodness of their good people, i.e. Ansar, the excuse the faults of their wrongdoers." That was the last gathering which the Prophet sallallahu, alaihi wasallam attended. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3629, narrated Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Once the Prophet sallallahu, alaihi wasallam brought out Al-Hasan and took him up the pulpit along with him and said, "This son of mine is a Sayyad, i.e. Chifa, and I hope that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help him bring about reconciliation between two Muslims group." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3630, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu, alaihi wasallam had informed us of the death of Jafar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and Zayd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu before the news of their death reached us, and his eyes were shedding tears. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.